Let me know. Hi YouTube, this is the Shark Rocket corded vacuum unboxing and review. We have the articulating power head with the Dyson-like ball. There's an attachment plate. The wand. I guess that's just a smaller brush. Cracks and crevices. Unit, which is very Dyson-esque, where it's kind of like a gun-like feeling where it just clicks into different attachments. And next we'll show you how it works. Open up the power head attachment. So I guess you have the foot part where you can adjust the height. I assume that's what it's for. If the brush roller is clogged, probably an indicator light. You have the release of the wand. Rubber grips on the wheels seem to turn pretty well. On the underneath you have a single roller with silicone or rubber and brush alternating. Looks pretty easy to remove if you get something stuck. One great thing so far is this cord is really, really long. That must be, I don't know, maybe 30 meters or 25 meters or 20 meters. Very long. Dust container on this, without reading any how to do it. Is it easy? Yeah, pretty easy. It's got a filter in there, kind of looks like a coffee filter. Puts back on, clicks in nicely. The controls on the top, high, medium, and low. Clean filters monthly. Shark logo, Rocket capacity XL, so there might be a one that you can add that's XXL if you change infrequently. And another indicator there. And pretty, I'd say about a pound or 2 pounds. So the Dyson is definitely lighter. Immediately I like this better because on the Dyson it's a matte which scratches. I bet you everyone that has a Dyson, their wand is scratched. This is glossy and probably more scratch resistant. So the release option here, I'm sure that's like a lock, and again a release on the end. So let's clicks in nice, and then right, but then if I wanted to lock it, let's try that. Can I take it off? It's probably not a lock then. Okay. So it's pretty easy, no instructions necessary. Pivots kind of like a Dyson. So a quick test on how the vacuum works and functions. Just had a couple pieces of lettuce on the ground, 1 or 2 passes. It seemed to remove it. It was kind of stuck on there. So far so good. Not that here's loud. A quick carpet test. demos of vacuuming, this is how much we've already picked up. So that's great.